Dum-de-dum-de-dum. I believe in God. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. He created the universe for humans to enjoy. Dum-de-dum. And the Bible is his inspired word. Dum-de-dum-de-dum. What the? Uh-oh. Who are you?
I am the invisible pink unicorn.
Am I dead?
Well, you are impaled on a giant crucifix. You aren't exactly in great health right now.
Is this heaven?
No, it's a spiritual plane where everything is invisible, but somehow pink.
Where is God and Jesus?
God was invented by the men who wrote the Bible. And Jesus has been dead for thousands of years. There's pretty much nothing left of him.
You mean I spent my whole life worshiping a mortal man and a non-existent God?
At least you weren't a Scientologist.
So where did the universe come from?
Nobody knows. But some people are uncomfortable with their insignificance in the cosmos, so they prefer creation myths. Basically, big bedtime stories for grown-ups.
What about the origin of life?
Life appears to be a spectacular example of emergence, which is a tendency for order to spontaneously come out of disorder. Like the gravitational collapse of interstellar dust clouds to form stars and planets, or the intricate crystal patterns of snowflakes due to the properties of water molecules. Emergence is amazing, but it's not supernatural.
So beautiful snowflakes and galaxies weren't created just for people to enjoy?
Do you have any idea how long the universe was around before humans arrived on the scene?
But consciousness exists so that we can appreciate the beauty and wonder of nature. Surely that couldn't have just happened.
It seems mysterious and magical, but on the cellular level, consciousness is based on the same known physiology that all higher animals share. Unfortunately for you, it's almost over.
You mean I won't live on after I die?
You will, in the memories of those you left behind.
I spent my entire life preparing for the afterlife. I can't believe this is happening.
Actually, it isn't. You see, it's pretty common for a person to hallucinate a bright light when their brain cells aren't getting any oxygen.
Then why am I also seeing a pink unicorn?
I'm guessing it has something to do with your prescription pills?
Help me return to Earth. I want to lose my virginity and try smoking pot. Maybe start a metal band. And not a crappy Christian one either. And quite frankly, I always secretly fantasized about sucking...
That's more than I need to know.
I'll become a Buddhist. I'll help people find happiness outside the bounds of Judeo-Christian dogma. I'll take full responsibility for my misdeeds toward others, rather than justifying them by convincing myself that I'm forgiven.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. I'm only a hallucination.
What's that?
I'm afraid that's all, my friend.
You're about to find out
what happens after death.